Today's topic is asphalt, bitumen and tar. These all are or from same family. First is asphalt. Three, all three are binding materials. First is asphalt. What is asphalt? The asphalt is a mechanical mixture of inert mineral matter like alumina, lime, silica, etc. And the asphaltic bitumen, it is black or brownish black in color. It remains in solid state at low temperature and becomes liquid at a temperature of about 50 to 100 degrees centigrade. Classification of asphalt. Asphalt is classified into the following two categories. First is natural asphalt and second is residual asphalt. First, natural asphalt. This variety of asphalt is obtained from nature. It is further subdivided into two groups, namely lake asphalt and rock asphalt on the basis of their sources. The lake asphalt is obtained from lakes at Trinidad and Bermudas in South America at depth varying from 3 to 60 meters in a lake. It contains about 40 to 70% of pure bitumen. Bitumen is a binding material used in road construction, in flexible pavement. The water content is about 30%. And second type in natural asphalt is rock asphalt. Rock asphalt is obtained from rocks at Switzerland, France, etc. It contains about 10 to 15% of pure bitumen. The rest consists of calcareous material. The rocks are put on the road surface after being crushed and heated. First is natural asphalt, second is residual asphalt. This variety of asphalt is also known as the artificial asphalt, and it is obtained by the fractional distillation, not fully distillation, fractional distillation of crude petroleum oils in petroleum refinery with an asphaltic base. Such process leaves a substance in the retard. This solid substance is the residual asphalt. Now, there are some forms of asphalt. So, forms of asphalt, usual forms of asphalt. First is asphaltic cement. Asphalt used in these forms. First is asphaltic cement. It is prepared by blowing air through melted asphalt at high temperature. The asphalt is oxidized and the resulting product is plastic in nature, and it is highly resistant to varying climatic conditions. It is used for flooring. There is only name is asphaltic cement. There is no use of cement. Use for flooring, roofing, waterproofing, and filler in expansion joints in concrete. Second is asphaltic emulsion. Third, cutback asphalt used in pavement. And fourth is important form of asphalt is mastic asphalt. It is produced by heating natural asphalt with sand and mineral fillers. The resulting product is a voidless impermeable mass, and this is the very good waterproofing material. Properties of asphalt. Following are the properties of asphalt. It is a tough and durable material. Tough means resistance against the impact loading, and durable, there is a long life. Next property, it is a waterproof material and can be easily cleaned. Third property or qualities of asphalt, it is not attacked by acids and is safe against vermin. Next property is it is resilient and reasonably elastic. And now uses of asphalt, various engineering purposes or engineering uses are: first, as a dam proof course or for waterproofing. Next, as waterproof layer for tanks, basements, swimming pools, etc. Third use of asphalt is for preparing paints and roofing fields. Next, for constructing roads and pavement. This is general use for constructing roads and pavements, etc. So in this family, first member is asphalt, second is bitumen. The bitumen is the binding material which is present in asphalt. It also sometimes called the mineral tar. It is obtained by partial distillation of crude petroleum. Now forms of bitumen following are the bitumen. First is bitumen emulsion, used in appropriate solvent. In solvent, bitumen is there. So this is the bitumen emulsion. Blown bitumen, cutback bitumen, plastic bitumen. Plastic bitumen is soft type of bitumen, and straight run bitumen. In this category of binding material or in this family, third member is tar. First asphalt, second bitumen, and third is tar. The tar is a dark black liquid with high viscosity. This is a fluid of high viscosity. According to its sources, the tar is classified into the following three categories. First is coal tar, second mineral tar, and third is wood tar. First is coal tar. Coal tar obtained from coal. So that is why this is called coal tar, not coal tar. This is coal tar. It is heavy, black, and strong smelling liquid. The variety of tar is prepared by heating coal in closed iron vessel. The escaping gases are allowed to pass through tubes which are kept cool by circulation of water. This is the process of distillation. Circulation of water, the coal tar gets deposited in these tubes. It is usually derived as a byproduct during the manufacture of coal gas. So during the manufacture of coal gas, obtained as a byproduct coal tar. Second type of tar is mineral tar. This variety of tar is obtained by distilling the bituminous shells. It contains less volatile matter. So, due to obtained from shells or sometimes of rocks, this is known as mineral tar. Third is wood tar. Wood tar. This variety of tar is obtained by the distillation of sometimes some types of trees like pines and similar type of other resinous wood. From these types of wood, partial distillation, we obtained wood tar. Now, here is a comparison among asphalt, bitumen and tar. First serial number item asphalt, bitumen and tar. Comparative study of asphalt, bitumen and tar. First heading or basis is adhesive power. In asphalt, adhesive power is less, bitumen more, and tar is most. Adhesive power or binding property in tar is most. Second, carbon content. In carbon content asphalt low, bitumen moderate, tar high. That is why color of tar is deep black. And color, asphalt blackish brown, bitumen dark color, with slight reddish tinge, and tar is deep black. Fourth effect on heating. Asphalt burns with a smoke flame at about 250 degrees centigrade and becomes plastic. Bitumen melt on heating. Tar becomes more fluid when heated. Next point is resistance to acid and water. In asphalt, resistant more, bitumen more, and in tar less. Sixth is setting time. Asphalt less, setting time of bitumen is less, and in tar more. Seventh point is state. State of asphalt. Asphalt is usually solid in general or semi-solid in state. Bitumen usually solid in state, and tar is viscous liquid state, not in solid state. This is the viscous liquid state. So these are the some binding materials in this category: asphalt, bitumen, and tar. Thank you.